Look. What is that? What's that?
Hello, what's up? How you doing?
Hey.
What's up?
Wow.
Yeah, try it on. Fasten your seatbelt.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
Fasten your seatbelt, baby. Look.
Get him in the union. Stop there.
Hey man, gonna be making him 6 figures by the time he's 15. Goodness, look at you.
Let me see. Yay.
drive?
Look at the speed.
Yeah, that little charged battery. So what do you do to drive?
Whoa.
Have the control. So
You like it?
Oh yeah?
It's nice. Look at that.
Back up. Gotta go reverse? It just don't have.
I have to take it outside. Look at that. Woo. Look at that. Awesome. Press your foot on the pedal. Off we go. You having fun with your dad?
When you want to stop, you lift your foot up.
There you go.
Yeah, take your foot. Yeah, it does.
There you go. Off he goes. Whoa, careful.
Right now.
There
When
you
wanna stop, you lift
go.
your foot up. The other one, the other foot.
Are you having fun? You can even take this to the beach.
When you want to go, you press this.
It's perfect for the beach. It's an excavator, see?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
No.
He's taking it back inside already. Perfect. You love it? Whoa. Turn it. Off he goes. Careful.
Oh man, let him into
Go around the boat.
Yeah. You like it?
It's like cleaning.
Yeah.
Turn that way.